Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go straight to the penultimate. We're going to go straight to the final. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, in first place, the winners of the 2026 UAE SWAT Challenge, Kazakhstan, C!
Pushed over the years and come so close in the past. But this year, it is their turn. There you have it. The winners of the UAE SWAT Challenge 2026. Kazakhstan.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Fantastic achievement. Congratulations for 2026.
Thank you very much to all of you who have stayed with us over the last 5 days. It's been great to have you, and great to engage with you as well around the globe, wherever you may be. Thank you very much. That's it. This year's UAE SWAT Challenge. Me, Joe Morrison. A good night, and we'll see you next year. Alga, Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan, A!